Hello everyone, this is Mohan Karthik, Odoo Functional Consultant at Ksolves India Limited.
In this video, we are going to see how to define a sales price list product wise and product category wise, or it can be a global wise. When I say global wise, it can be for all the products. So for how to define a sales price list, let's go to the sales module. We can go to products to view what are all the products in which category we have. So here I am grouping it by product category. Here I can see list of product categories and the products. So for example, I will take consumable as a one price list, and then office furniture as another one item. Okay, so now let's create a price list. I'm going to products, inside sales, price list. Here I'm creating a new price list. Since it is I'm recording this on December, I will be considering it as a Christmas sale. So in Christmas sale, we are planning to provide a discount based on product category wise. Here I am giving, there are three types: fixed price, discount, and formula. So when I say fixed price, we can give the fixed price as a discount, like I can give $1,000, $100, like that as a fixed. Here if we go as a discount, we can give the percentage. I can give 10%. Okay, so for all, whether it is for all the products or product category wise or product wise or variant wise. So here we are taking example as product categories. Once we click on this product category, here we have to select the product category which we are going to give. So we have taken two examples. One is the consumable and another one is the office furniture. So I will take office furniture first, and I will be giving a 10% of discount. So here minimum order quantity, how much quantity they need to order to arrive this to get this discount. I am saying it as 2. Okay, and what is the validity? Here we can give the validity from 19th to 31st. So whenever this price list will be active between these days only. Now I am saving this and closing this and adding another one line item in the same price list, so that it gives an advantage to create multiple kind of conditions in a single price list. We don't want to create multiple price lists. So again I'm giving a discount for just 2%. Now I'm selecting the category as consumables. Since it is a consumable, we will be having less margins, so I am giving it as 2%. Also this consumable items will be purchased in bulk, so they have to get a minimum quantity of 100. This is, for example, we can create a number of different kind of things. So validity will be same, 19 to 31st of December. Saving and closing this. Okay, here we can see 10% discount and 2% discount. Minimum order quantity what is, and what is started and end date. I am saving this. I am going to create a new quotation new. I am selecting the customer, selecting new customer, and here I am selecting the product. So before selecting the product, I am opening this catalog to select based on the product category wise. I am drill downing this product category, consumables. Here I am gonna select screw 1 of 100 quantities and bolt of 50 quantities, and then next I am going to select in saleable, I am going to select office furniture. In this office furniture, I am going to select customizable desk and this stool. I am going to select 5 quantities of stool. Customized desk is 1. I am going back to the quotation. These products has been added here automatically. Can you see the prices? It is populated from the master of the product. If I go here you can see sale price is defined as 0.2. So if I change this price to Christmas sale and update this price, see here the prices will be getting updated automatically. Once I select this, previously the price was different, and now this price has been changed, and here you can see the margins as well based on your purchase cost. What is your sales cost, you can see here. If I go to bolt, here you can see the price, and here is a different price. Okay, this is how we can define a number of sales price list. That's it for this video.
So if you are looking to implement a Odoo system for your business, or if you have any new requirement, feel free to contact us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.